Hello dear students, welcome to our physics online class. I am your physics teacher. Dear students, in the last class we were discussing about the radiation process. So radiation is nothing but we are getting a heat from the sun as in the form of a rays that we are called as a radiation. So in the radiation we are getting the heat from the sun. So for this radiation process there is no necessity of an medium. So that means in the absence of a medium also we can get a rays or we can get heat from the sun. So that process we are calling as a radiation process. So that heat is going to transfer with a surrounding. We are getting the heat from the surrounding and we are also relieving a heat to the surrounding. That means getting the heat and releasing of a heat. Both the cases we are going to observe in the presence of a surrounding, that we are called as a radiation process. So this is a last concept of your first chapter, kinds of clothes wearing in a summer and a winter. So dear students, we are human beings wearing different kinds of clothes in a different season. Yes, we are wearing different clothes in different season. In different season, according to season we are wearing the clothes. So which are the seasons? Summer, winter and rainy season. So in the summer, whatever the clothes we are wearing, that is different from the winter season clothes, and rainy season clothes also different from the summer and winter season. ನಾವು ಚಳಿಗಾಲ, ಮಳೆಗಾಲ, ಬೇಸಿಗೆ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ತರನಾದಂತಹ ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳನ್ನು ಧರಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ವೈ ವಿ ಆರ್ ವಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಸೀಸನ್. ಸೊ ಯಾಕೆ ನಾವು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ತರದಂತಹ ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳನ್ನ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಎನಿ ನೆಸೆಸಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ವಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ season? So here in case of a summer, in summer we are wearing cotton cloth. So the cotton cloth which are a very thin, yes, those cloths are made by a cotton. So why we are wearing a cotton cloth, especially in the summer season? So whatever the cotton cloths are there, these cotton cloths allows the air to our body, okay, the cotton cloth allows the air to our body. So whatever the air is present in the surrounding thing, that air can be enter into our body because of this cotton cloth. These cotton cloths are thin, okay, because of a thin nature of a cotton cloth, the air is enters into our body and we will feel like a cool. Okay, ಗಾಳಿ ನಮಗೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಗೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ತಂಪಿನ ಅನುಭವ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಬೇಸಿಗೆ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಟನ್ ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳನ್ನ ಅಥವಾ ಹತ್ತಿ ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳನ್ನ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಧರಿಸ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿಂಟರ್, ಎಸ್, in winter season, in winter we are wearing woolen cloths. Yes, woolen cloths like a sweaters. Why we are wearing a woolen cloths during a winter season? So these woolen cloths will maintains our body temperature. Maintains our body temperature. It maintains our body temperature. So whatever the heat is there in our body, that is not comes out. Okay, it is not comes out to the surrounding. So whatever the coldness is there in the surrounding, that is not enter into our body and we will not feel like a cold. So that's why we are using a woolen cloths during a winter season to maintain our body, like a sweater, your muffin, ತಲೆ ಕಟ್ಕೋತಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, cap. So those are all specially made up of a woolen. So if you observe areas of Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, okay, Kashi. So at that places you can observe there is always falling of a snow. So that's why they are always wearing a woolen cloth to protect our body. Okay, that woolen will maintains their body as a heat. That body heat maintains the heat. So that's why they are using a woolen cloth. Woolen cloth ಗಳನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹೀಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಚಳಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ the different kinds of cloths also we know that. And in the next what we are doing, there are so many colors we are observing in our surrounding things. So during the summer season there will be a more sun rays or a more heat we can observe, but in the case of the winter there will be a less rays of sunlight we can observe. That means ಬೇಸಿಗೆಗಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ ಶೆಕೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಚಳಿಗಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಶೆಕೆ ಅನ್ಸಲ್ಲ. ಸೀಸನ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸೀಸನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ವಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ whatever the different colors are there in our surrounding, those colors also plays a major role in the absorption and emitting of radiations or ಸನ್ಲೈಟ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಕಲರ್ಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಅವುಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಹೀಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಜರ್ ರೋಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ. ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹೀಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಬ್ಸಾರ್ಬ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಎಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗ್ತವೆ ಕಲರು ತಮ್ಮ ರೋಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೇವೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಕಲರ್ಸ್, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ರೆಡ್, ಬ್ಲಾಕ್. Yes, these are the example for the dark colors. So dark colors absorbs the more heat, from the surrounding, it absorbs more heat. So because of the more absorption of a heat from the surrounding, dark colors we are not using as a paint. So just you are observe all our houses, okay, have a different colors. Anybody have a house of a color with a black at the outside? Yes, anybody have the black color? Anybody have cottage? ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಮನೆಗೆ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಗೋಡೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಕರಿ ಬಣ್ಣವನ್ನ ಬಳದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಕೆಂಪು ಬಣ್ಣದ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ನೀವು ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? Not. We are not observing the dark colors at the outside of the houses. Yes. Why? Means because the dark colors absorb the more heat from the surrounding. So how we can prove this? Yes. Just you take a container. Okay. To container A, container B. Take a equal quantity, that is 50 ml of water. Here also 50 ml of water. So for beaker B, just it is coated with a black. It's coated with a black color. It's coated with a black color. And these two beakers you have to keep in a surrounding. So when we are keep these two beakers in a surrounding, because of the presence of a sun outside, these two waters will starts to get a heat. So then check the after 20 minutes, just you have to check the temperature of a beaker A and a beaker B. So when we are going to check the temperature of a beaker A and a beaker B, so whatever the beaker B has water, no, that water has a more temperature than the beaker A. Why? Means whatever the beaker A is in a light color, but beaker B is in a dark color because it is colored by a black color. So that's why that water which is in the beaker B, that will be has a more heat than the beaker A. ಎರಡು ಬೀಕರ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಬೀಕರಿಗೆ ಕರಿ ಬಣ್ಣವನ್ನ ಬಳದು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಿಸಿಲಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಬೀಕರ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಟಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬೀಕರ್ ಬಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ನೀರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕಾದಿರ್ತವೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ನಾವು ಕೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಕೋಟ್ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ absorb ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇವೆ. So because of this absorption we are absorbing that. So whatever solar panels is there, that solar panels are made up of a silicon which has in a black color. Yes, are you observed that? Yes, it is in a black color. Why? Means because the sun rays will going to absorb more by a dark color. So that's why we are using a solar panels as in a black color. So the next light colors. light colors do not absorb more color more more heat. They do not absorb more heat from the surrounding. So because of this reason our all houses are covered with light colors only. So because it absorbs the very less heat. Or the best example, when you are wandering outside, especially in a summer season, okay, just you have to walk a 10 to 15 minutes in the outside. So just you touch your hedge. Yes, your hairs are which in color? Your hairs are in a black in color. If you keep your hand or a palm on your head, you just feel that it is a hot. But your hands and other part is in a not a hot as much of a your head. Yes, why means because our hair is in a black color, so it absorbs the more heat. ಬಿಸಿಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹಣ್ಣತ್ತಿ ಸುಡ್ತದ ನೆತ್ತಿ ಸುಡ್ತದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಸುಡ್ತದ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ we have a hair of a black color, so this black color absorbs the more heat. And especially during a summer season, don't wear the black color dress, so that black color is also absorbs the more heat and you will feel more hot. So why? Means because the dark color will absorb the more heat from the surrounding or from the sun. So that's why we don't wear a dark colors during a summer season. Yes, it's clear. So just only 4 points. We are using the different colors. The season means according to a season wise. Summer cotton cloths. Why we are using the cotton cloths? Those allows the air to our body. Winter season we are using the woolen cloths. Why means it is maintains our body. Dark colors absorbs the more heat from the surrounding, and the light colors absorbs the more heat from the surrounding. So they may ask the question as in the form of a give reason. Yes, why we are not coating our houses with a black color or a dark color? Why means the dark colors like a black, red, yes, dark pink, those will absorb the more heat from the surrounding. That's why we are not coating our houses by the dark colors. Especially we are using the light colors. If your syntax is in the black color, you just observe water will comes hot. In syntax another black color itandre bisi neer barutte. So that's why almost we are using the yellow color syntax. Yes, are you observed? Initial days we are getting the black color syntax, but now there is no black color syntax. Is there very less in quantity. Almost we are using a yellow color syntax. Why means the water will not get a heat from the surrounding. It will get heat, but the absorption power is less than the dark colors. Okay, yellow color no heat ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ, but less when we are compared with the black color. So up to here your first chapter heat is going to complete. If you feel any difficulty you can ask at any time. I hope all are understood this chapter completely. In the next class I will give notes to you. You can write those notes in your physics notes. Okay, thank you.